Well, here we are at Swindon Railway Museum, and here we are, more mechanised transporting goods to replace horse-drawn power there. See the Scammer tractor and trailer, they called it there. There we are, and here we are, we have the Bristolian here, locomotive, here at the Swindon Railway Museum. There we are. There we are. Real life portrayed here. What things would have been like years ago. There's the tea lady here, all important tea. There we are. King George V. There we are. Number 6,000, there we are. Charles Collett designed the King class to be the most powerful express passenger steam locomotives in Britain. There we are. And Collett was the chief mechanical engineer at GWR Swindon from 1922 to 1941. There we are. This was the first of the King locomotives to be built. The engine was named after the reigning monarch, and later locomotives were named after previous kings of England. They were much heavier than other engines, and a number of bridges and platforms had to be strengthened to accommodate them. There we are. Various information here. They were built in 1927, length of service 35 years, average maximum speed 90 miles an hour, total built 31, and preserved just the 3. So popular that GWR put on special 5 shilling 25 pence course in these days, in this money. Excursion trains to Swindon, so enthusiastic to see them being built. There were so many trains built here, serviced and refurbished here in Swindon. A massive employer at one time, until closure in 1986, sadly.